Welcome back to Inqua News. Minister for Transport Marvin Godino has stated that there is no immediate solution to the proposed taxi policy, saying his hands are tied at present. Marvin Godino said the matter will be addressed at the appropriate time, but clarified that the policy will not be implemented for now due to the election period and lack of consensus support. At final decision, he added, will be taken later when conditions are more suitable.
टॅक्सीवाले आमचे डिजिटल प्लॅटफॉर्माचेर वचपा रेडीच ना. ते म्हणटा हें गोंयकार पूण आमी गोंयकार डिजिटल प्लॅटफॉर्म वचना. म्हणजे एक टायमा आमचे एक सेंट्रल प्रायम मिनिस्टरान म्हणलेलें तें गोवा के लोक अजीब है. हांव इतलेंच म्हणपाक शकता, आमचे लोक अजीब थोडे आसपाक शकता. सो वॉट टू डू? आय कॅनॉट फोर्स इट. सी, आय कॅन टेक अ हॉर्स टू द वॉटर. आय कॅनॉट आस्क इट टू ड्रिंक द वॉटर. तांकां कितले भाशेन संभाळ जावपाक ट्राय केले. आनी आतां एक हांव फ्रँकली सांगपाक सोदतां, elections next 6 months election will be there. Which government of the day will take any such harsh decision when elections are closed? So it will have to wait till the elections are over.
So for election now it has been hold.
I am not saying it is on hold, but it is very difficult to take that decision because in view of we facing the electorate, I thought I will get support at least from some quarters, whether our own people, whether it is opposition. But they seem nobody seems to be supporting a digital platform. ते गोंयकार आसून दी, मागीर तांकां मागीर आनी जेन्ना प्रॉब्लेम जातले तेच लोक सांगतले कर म्हूण. But right now my hands are tied. What can I do? Can I force it down? Can I force it down the throat of the people, the taxi people? They will come up in arms because प्रत्येक जण एक कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सीचे असता. They catch the MLA and they come. It is a normal thing. Everybody knows it. So I cannot force it down their throat, no.
So right now there is no solution for this.
Right now, there will be a solution. I will give the solution at the right time. But in the immediate future, there seems to be no solution. I have already thought about it because central government also is grappling with this. आता तुम्ही पहिला अमित शहाजीन कॉपरेटिव्ह बेजीस भारत टॅक्सी म्हणून लॉन्च केला. पूण गोंयान म्हणटात ते कांयच नाका तसले. आदले प्रॅक्टीस आसून दी. सो हांव कितें करपाक शकता? आय कॅनॉट गो अगेन्स्ट देम ऑल्सो.
इलेक्शना पयलीं पॉलिसी जाल्यार त्रास जातलो म्हणटा तुमी टॅक्सीकारांचो.
ते तुमी समजून घेवपाक. तुका बरे भशेन खबर आहा म्हाज्या तोंडान कितें उतरां घालता. तुका खबर ना.